Hi everybody, my name is Debbie Wells and I live and work just north of Cincinnati, Ohio. I graduated from Miami University with a degree in psychology and I've been a practicing social worker for about 25 years. I have worked in a lot of different areas. I've worked in mental health, addiction services, I've done trauma work, I have worked with violent offender programs. So currently I work with a homeless program. I do a lot of outreach. I'm in the streets and in shelters and out in the community most of the time. The MSW program online is perfect for me because it gives me that flexibility to be able to do what I need to when I need to. I look forward to meeting all of you and to completing this program together. Outside of work, I am a mother of two. I have one grandchild and another on the way. For fun, I like to hike. I love to watch hockey. I'm kind of sad we didn't get to see the playoffs this year, but hopefully this next season starts on time. I play soccer and volleyball. I love to cook. So I keep myself really busy, and I'm really excited about being back in a classroom again after all this time, and I look forward to working with all of you.